Morning, guys. It is May 24th, 2023. This one here I got a call, actually from my old dentist. He's retired now and he's got a problem with the toilet keeps running. So
in 1/4 mile,
I guess it's I gotta find myself a new dentist. I guess they just shut down a place down here where I usually go. And he's been retired for a while now. His son's been trying to run it, but trying to run a place in Fall River and Dartmouth at the same time, it's probably just too much for him. So there's plenty of dentists in my area. I'm gonna just have to get my records and switch over to another dentist in my area. People don't work forever. Sometimes they retire or shut the business down. I'm gonna talk to him about it, see what the hell's going on here. Just send me a notice when all my appointments were canceled. It's kind of shitty, but my daughter goes there and her in-laws go there. There's quite a few people that I know go to this place, and they just shut the doors. All of a sudden, just send text out to everybody. Your thing's canceled. All your appointments have been canceled due to closure, temporary closure. I'm gonna talk to him when I get over there, see what he's got to say. Find a new dentist, Miss Molly. Yeah, I know him, Miss Molly. Yeah, I gotta find a new dentist, Miss Molly. Never a dull moment, all I could say. It looks like the gasket's broken on it. So who do you recommend I go see?
I don't know.
You didn't see it? Look on Google, there's a shitload of dentists. You don't like Aspen?
No.
Why?
It's a corporation.
Oh, so you wanted to go... You got quite a few reviews, though. I don't know, this fucking thing comes apart.
That's a game.
Huh?
That's a game.
It's a gasket. They're always trying to reinvent the wheel here, you know? What is it, Molly? There's the pot. Quiet! The old one was red, the new ones are yellow. It's okay, Molly! I bought 2 of them, so I got another one in the truck. What is it, Miss Molly? Poopy Pants? Yeah, Mrs. Poopy Pants. Yeah, Mrs. Poopy Pants. Yeah, you love pets. You love pets, Miss Molly. Alright, this is the new gasket. The old one's just gonna slide over and clip in. It just clips in like a shoulder down there. We'll just get this thing over. This thing down, around, and down there. Like a little lip in there. Like a little lip that's gonna sit in. There you go. Little lip. That's what we got here. Should be able to just hook this on there like that. This up on there like that. on there like that. That should do it. No shit, mama. No shit, I can. No shit, I can. Definitely an issue. No shit, I can. No shit, I can, mama. That's good right there. Old crusty cola. Nothing but quality here. Nothing but quality. It's a crusty cola.